My name is Amber Groeling. I'm a dietitian with the Heart Center here at Stormont Vail Health. And I just have some tips for you as you're heading to summer barbecue or maybe going to be grilling at your home. Just some things that you can implement as you're trying to eat healthier this summer. One of the biggest mistakes that people make with a summer barbecue is overdoing it on the carbohydrates. If you think barbecue, you think buns, potato salad, macaroni salad, corn. All of those lead to just eating too many carbohydrates for the meal. So one of my best tips is just to really think about your plate. And the goal would be trying to make half your plate a vegetable. I really love the salad kits that are available. They're very quick and easy. You can throw them together. You can throw your grilled meat on top of them and make a complete meal that way. Or they can just be a side dish to your burger. Another thing that I'm seeing pop up a lot lately is a pineapple burger. So you're using the pineapple slices sliced thin like a burger. When you get to the fourth of the plate that's a carbohydrate, just be sure that you're choosing lower sugar carbohydrates. Baked beans are a barbecue must-have. One way you can stretch the sugar content of a baked bean is to add a can of plain pinto beans. These are full of sugar. These have no sugar. You mix them together, you still get the fiber, the filling benefits without as much sugar. For barbecue sauces, make sure you read the labels. They're all very different in the amount of sugar. This one here has 16 grams per 2 tablespoons, and this one is only 3. So there's a lot of great choices out there, and they vary a lot in their nutrition. So check the labels. Just implement a few of these tips to make your summer barbecue a little bit healthier as well as enjoyable.